MCA ma Central Alego Ward David Ragen odaa dhoge gi apisas mag okwach kich ewi ng'anyo manobagi gi jo Yala Swamp mar kwedo kambi mar Lake Agro Limited. Ragen nodaa dhoge kuom saa achiel go okwach kich kitude kod wach ni ene manochano ng'anyo makamano manche nobedo. MCA no noloso gi jofwambo bang' ndiko dhoge owacho ni jopiny nigi ratiro mar ng'anyo.
And then there is also the investor.
On Saturday, I got a call from the DCI summoning me to record some statement about some demonstrations, alleged demonstrations that were supposed to take place with regards to Yala Swamp. We've engaged, and what is coming out is that some people are trying to intimidate us on matters Yala Swamp. But I want to reiterate that the swamp belongs to our people. It's a community land, and that must be respected. We are working with the county government to ensure that the land is registered under the community